According to a report by Find Ernest published on LinkedIn, it costs up to 40% of an employee's base salary to hire a new employee and takes 3 to 8 months for them to become fully productive on average. With such a significant impact on business operations and profit margins, it's no wonder that managing and retaining talent is more important than ever. Today, we're going to be talking about increasing the effectiveness of your performance management program. With Pendo, you can drive adoption of your performance management platform. We support tools like FifteenFive, Lattice, CultureAmp, and Workday, as well as any other SaaS tool you can open in a web browser. You can also support and guide employees through performance management processes such as quarterly and annual reviews. The support and guidance is delivered in-app to meet employees where they're at and can be personalized based on employee attributes such as role or geo, as well as employee behavior. Lastly, you can easily collect employee feedback to continually improve your program and ensure your people have a voice. Let's meet Seth. Like most non-HR employees, Seth does not live in FifteenFive. He does, however, spend a significant amount of his time in Salesforce. The first step to increasing the effectiveness of your performance management program is to drive adoption and participation. With Pendo, we can deploy in-app messages to nudge employees in the tools they use most, such as Salesforce. When Seth logs into Salesforce, a friendly reminder pops up asking him if he wants to complete the review process or if he wants to snooze this reminder for another day. This is the third time he's seen this reminder, and he decides now is as good of a time as any to complete the process. Seth is taken to FifteenFive, our performance management tool, and then guided through the review process to ease his concerns and reassure him that we're here to help. Here are the 3 people he needs to review. We remind him how to contact us if he has any questions or gets stuck. Next, we'll focus his attention on the review he has to complete. We'll also remind him about using unbiased feedback and provide a link to an internal resource if he needs a refresher. Lastly, he can submit the review. We'll ease his concerns and try to deflect the inevitable question about editing his responses before final approval. Finally, Seth is asked if he has any feedback. With Pendo, you can deploy simple transactional surveys to understand how employees feel about specific processes or solicit feedback on larger organizational changes. We just saw how Pendo can drive adoption of your performance management software, support and guide employees through performance management processes, and easily collect ad hoc employee feedback to increase the effectiveness of your performance management program. Thanks for your time and for listening.